Hi everyone, welcome to the first long format video of 2025. Also, a long format video after ages. So, it was my birthday month, so I ordered few things from Nykaa, and here is what all I got. First up, we have this lip balm from Let's Hyphen. It has all those fancy ingredients like peptides and other things. They claim to be repairing moisture barrier and other things, but I don't find this to be moisturizing. It has a nice fragrance to it, but I did not find it very moisturizing. Second, we have these Within Calming Drops. This is for barrier restore. I got this when Ankush Bahuguna recommended this one, and it's quite soothing for the skin. You can use it as a night serum also. So it also has a nice packaging, and I quite like this one. The third product I got is the Foxtails exfoliating body wash. So they claim to have salicylic acid in this and with these exfoliating beads, and it has a citrusy fragrance which is milder in comparison to the other body washes which Foxtail has got. So I have all the body washes from Foxtail, and they're quite nice. They make you smell good, but the lilac one did not smell that great to me. Another one is this Madagascar vanilla body wash from Kimirica. This one I bought after I saw a video from Prakriti Singh where she recommended this one. So this smells like coconut, vanilla and little bit of caramel, and it's quite moisturizing and it's free from all the chemicals. I quite like the formulation of this one, so you can give it a try. Next product was this Foxtails cleanser, which has salicylic acid in it and it controls acne, but the only thing which I did not like is the fragrance. It bothers me a lot. This fragrance is like of menthol or something, and I do not like fragrance in my skincare products. But this one is a nice cleanser. It cleans your skin quite nicely and brightens it up as well, but the fragrance is the drawback of this one. Then I got the moisturizer from Foxtail itself. This one also has fragrance in it, but it has niacinamide and other few those fancy ingredients: niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and some algae extract. So this also has a fragrance which I personally do not like, and it is not a good packaging at all. So they've like researched about the formulation for years, but they could not improve the packaging which they claim in this paper. So this is that. The final product is this birthday gift from Nykaa, which is a surprise. This is called Love Struck Stay With Me Shower Gel. This has a mild fragrance to it. I quite did not like this one. A little disappointed, but gift is a gift. So thank you, Nykaa. So here are all my products which I got